If you are running your own store or your own small little shop, brick and mortar shop, and you need to use a point of sale, then you don't have to pay hefty amounts, to some company and use their point of sale hardware and software. So today I'm going to discuss and show you open source point of sale. This is totally free of charge, and I can set it up for you and configure all of this on your hardware in your store. So I just wanted to quickly show you how it looks. So this is the main interface when you log in, and when you have to initially set up, you first have to put in suppliers. And if you see here, these are the fields for the suppliers. I'm quickly going to go through this. If you add a supplier, for example, let's say I say that the company is, for example, I don't know what company, Dettol, for example, and point of contact over there, their email address, their address, all the details about the supplier. Okay, you do that. Then you come here to the items. Now you have a way of importing the CSV, which I will get to later, but for now let's try and define a new item. Barcode, whatever the barcode is, you can just put that in here. Item name, Dettol wipes, for example. Category is I don't know, cleaning. So this is the default setting. I'm not going to go into detail. I'm just trying to show you what it can do. Stock type, stock, standard, supplier. Here you can select the supplier, and wholesale price. So this is in dollars. This can be configured, but for now let's go with this. How much stock do you have? How much have you received? When will you order? When the quantity drops to, for example, you just have 2 remaining. Dettol surface wipes, for example. You do this. You can select the image, allowed alternate description, item serial number, delete. Okay, submit. So this is, you have defined the item. Now the next thing is, how are you going to deal with the actual transactions? You come here to sales, and this is where you do all your transaction when the customer is coming in. The thing is, you can probably do it without new customer. You just start typing in, for example, Dettol wipes, and you just say, okay, how much quantity have they bought? 1. Okay, fine. Are they paying back cash or whatever? If they were paying back cash, you do add payment and just complete. And here's the transaction. You can see this, and you can then print this. So if you are cash heavy, you can do it like this, and you can configure scanners and your payment terminals as well, which I'm going to show you in the subsequent videos. But what I'm trying to say to you is that you don't have to pay like monthly subscriptions or those kind of fee to have this set up.